Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our alerts in Playwright C Sharp. Okay, how many types of alerts we have? There is a normal confirm alert. Okay, and confirm alert is basically it will give you as a okay only. Okay, it can need to be accept. Okay, and confirmation alerts. There is one more type is there, and that is called is a normal alert. You can able to say normal. Okay, normal is just it will ask you for okay or just okay. And another one is confirmation for it will give you both option. One is cancel and another one is accept. Okay, and third is prompt. This will give you some message like we can able to send some information and then we can able to click okay or cancel. Okay, these are the types. And before that, why alerts is basically there is a possibility like a user when he is entering into the application, whether he need to accept cookies or not. There is a one kind of alert. Okay. Because most of the companies now they are using for cookies to store and cookies to read their time. Okay. Because of that, it will give you some message. In that moment, you can able to accept or cancel. Okay. If he's cancel, then it will not store any cookies and default it will work as per the acceptance. Okay. And when he accept that OK button, then definitely it will store the cookies and it will work as a like whenever he logged in, previous what he done, all the things it will show for in that applications. Okay. This kind of application will be present. And third case, some of the places like when he enters something application, example like company portal, he provided for username and password and he working that and it is long time taken and then he refresh the application. That moment it will ask you for again username and e password. Okay, then once you click for OK, then again it will get into a dashboard page. Okay, this kind of operation will that is called as a prompt because then the sending the information from the that particular alerts. Okay, normal it will normal alerts is like a okay clicking purpose. Some information it will provide. If you are accepting, then okay. Otherwise, not. We can close that window itself. Okay. How it looks for this. And basically, this alerts developed by using for JavaScript. Okay. If you click this one, and it will give some information whether you can able to click or not. If you don't want, you can close that entire things. Okay. And you can click automatically it will go. Okay. And also you can see there is a result also it will display. When you click for this confirmation, there is a OK button and cancel. This you can able to say accept and this you can able to say cancel. Okay. Then once you click for here, this is some information we are providing into this particular text box. If you provide something like okay, then you can click for OK and it will give you some information. Okay. Like this we can able to see. Okay. Now how you can able to do this kind of operations. Okay. Now for this, we can able to see this particular URL will okay. And I'm going back to here. I'll copy this entire concept. I'll paste it. Okay. And remove this all unnecessary things. Copy this URL and I'll paste it for here. Pasting. Okay. Then I'm going to change for title of this. It is basically alert, right? I'm going to use for same name alerts. Okay. And it is 11. Okay. I store this one 11. Okay. And then first we need to use for normal. How you can able to do any alert when you see through Java or any languages. We have an action called as switching for the alerts and then we are going to click for access or get the message of that particular alert or you can click for cancel button. Okay, these are the actions we are doing. But in this particular playwright, doesn't have for any switching into the windows, but we can able to do for loading the alerts. Before clicking for any alert, we need to use for click for the alert, and means we need to store the alert information. Then how you can able to do and store that particular alert. Okay, now coming back to here. See, now here we are going to store for that particular alert. Okay. Page dot a dialog. Okay, and then we are using for equal, and here we can able to see async format, and here we need to send some sender and dialog. Okay, and then use for function creation and keep it here and close this one. Okay, as per we saw that previous, okay, language is Java, and there is a click functionality. After that we are going to accepting for the one second please. Ah, as for previous like Java and all, okay, before we are clicking and then we are doing, right, whether we can able to click or not, we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to take this particular path. Okay, and I'll copy this entire relative x path. I'm coming back to here. Await a page dot look click page dot a click functionality, and in this I'm going to specify my path, and then I'm clicking here. Okay, and then okay, now in this location we'll see console dot write line, and here and the dollar two doubles dialog message, and here I'm going to use for two curly braces. Okay, dialog dot message. Okay, and semicolon. Whether we can able to print our dialog message or not, we can see. Okay, this I'm doing for Java prospective. Okay, Java prospective I'm going to do. Now I'm running. If it is able to do that kind of operation, we can able to see for some message information in our console. Okay, see script got passed, and but we are not get any information, right? Now I'm going to take the same thing into the top. Okay, I'm pasting here. Okay, now you can see, now this I'm going to do for playwright perspective. Okay, previous I done for selenium perspective like the switching and all. In this switching cases and all, it will not be presented here. It's, what it is not waited. See here, I am a JSON alert. Okay, because it is able to find that alerts on. Okay, now we are going to do for acceptance. Okay, now here I can able to use for await dialog dot accept async. Okay, before accept async, we can use for some time sync. Okay, await page, sorry, shit, page dot wait for time. Okay, here I will provide for 1000 seconds because we need to see that alert whether it will be a clicked or not. Okay, now again I'm going back here and clicking here and click this one. It is accepted and it is closed. Right? This kind of operation we can able to do it. Okay. And after that we need to verify some message, like if you click here and it is clicking from here and it will display some message here, right? We can able to use some assertion as well. For this particular one we can able to use some assertion. I'll take the expected here and right, await page dot locator. You can able to say this one to be visible. Anything it is visible or not, we can able to verify. Okay. Now I'm going to try this one again. In case if it is not showing something, and you can able to use for to have a text also. To have a text, it will help you to understand the text whether it is presented for that particular text or not for this particular one. Okay, now it is passed. Okay, and even we have tried for have a text format like in assertion location. Okay, if you see in my previous videos where I can here the values and to have a value, which value you are expecting that particular value in that particular location, whether it is presented or not, those information also I have provided. Okay, you can try with this particular format whether you can able to validate or not. Okay, if you are able to do it, you can let me know. If you are not able to do it, you can comment on my video session and then I'll provide that particular session how you can able to provide it. Okay, it is a normal alert purpose. Okay, now we are going to do for another alert verification. Okay, that is accepting. Okay, for this we are going to click for this one and cancel. If you click the cancel, it will display this cancel button. Okay, and we can able to validate whether it will be a displayed or not also. Okay, now canceling is the one we are going to accepting. Okay, now the same thing I can do from up to here, and then this particular line also. Okay, and I'll call do for relative path. Okay, relative path, and then we are going to do for this one dismiss async. Okay, this is basically it will dismiss that particular alert. Okay, say confirm it. Like this we can able to do it. Okay, and also if you want to send some information, okay, some information for another one. Okay, that how you can able to do that, we can also we can check. I'll copy this entire information because now I'm going to do for prompt alert. Okay, prompt alert is basically to sending the information. You can click this one and you can provide it and then you can do it. Right, now I'm going to prompt alert. Okay, and here we need to use for accept, and then we can able to provide for information. Okay, this is basically a prompting purpose. Like we can able to send some information in that uh, particular one, then it will accept that information and it will send you that entire information. Okay, and then I'm going to use for here wait, wait. Now you can see this is the final one, prompt alert. See, it is entered and it is closed. Okay, like this we can able to do for all kind of alerts. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.